pag nilipad natin siya sa kabila, magiging difference of 2 square. Wherein, pares pa rin naman. So, square root na lang natin sila both side. So, magiging makakancel yung square root pati yung squared. Matitira yung x. So, dahil solve tayo ng square root ng equation, magkakaroon tayo ng plus minus dyan. Then, magkakaroon tayo ng square root of 16, which is 4. So, bali dalawa yung sagot. It's either positive 4 or negative 4. Pero, check natin yan guys. So, pwede kasi yung x equals to 4 or x equals to negative 4. Pero, check natin. So, if we check this from the given, so let's say check natin sa x equals 4. So, magkakaroon tayo ng logarithm of 16 to the base 4, which is equals to 2. So, exponential lang. Magiging 4 squared, which is equals to 16. And 16, ibig sabihin tama siya sa x equals 4. So, check natin siya sa negative 4. So, logarithm of 16 to the base of negative 4, which is equals to 2. So, same process. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 4 squared, which is equals to 16. Ang negative 4 squared ba is positive 16. So, this will become negative 16 equals 16. So, this is not correct. So, which means, yung only answer is